Hey y'all, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree and I go by Naturally Nicole here. Today is Thursday. It's about a few days before Mother's Day, and I am going to be attempting to make some crochet flowers for the first time, specifically roses for my mom and for my sister. I'm not going to do a whole bouquet or anything, but I'm about to head to Dollar Tree to find the wooden skewers, and then I already have the yarn that I need. I'm going to be going to Hobby Lobby to get a hot glue gun. I'm just going to take you guys along with me in this little journey in creating my very first crochet flowers. So I just made it to Dollar Tree. I'm in the craft section. I think the skewers might be like in the kitchen section, so I'm gonna look over there real quick. And look at all the yarn. Now I'm in the Mother's Day section, and I'm trying to get both my sister and my mom a card. I found these two, and they really kind of made me a little emotional, so I think I'm gonna go with these. So I'm in Hobby Lobby right now, and I did pick up the hot glue gun and the sticks. And now I'm just browsing around in the yarn section because I actually am doing a pattern test for someone. So I need some weight 3 yarn. Now I don't know if they have that or whatever, which I'm sure they do, but I'm gonna have to just look around and find that. And then I also need some pink yarn for another order that I have, so hopefully I find everything that I need. So I ended up picking up these two yarn colors for the pattern test. I honestly was going to do brown because like this is more what I would wear, and I have things to go with it as well. All right, y'all, so I just made it back to the house. I'll just do a quick little haul for y'all. So skewers. I also got some gift bags. So this one is for my sister because she likes gold. And then I just got this silver bag. It's a little bigger for my mom. They honestly did not have a good selection on bags in there. And I already showed you guys this, but the gift cards for them. And I'm going to write a cute little note in there. And then at Hobby Lobby, I showed you guys all of this too, so I don't know why I'm acting, but I got the hot glue gun and the, of course, glue sticks. And then I also got some acrylic yarn in the color soft pink. I got an order for a mesh ruffle dress, and she also wanted a ruffle hat as well, so I showed her this pink, and so she wants this light pink, a darker pink, and a white. And that's going to be a project that I complete within the next 2 weeks or so, or after the next week or two, because I have a lot of stuff on my plate. I just realized that I need to get done because it's like a due date for it. I think I told you guys that I was going to be doing a pattern test, and it's for like a vest. So I went ahead and finally decided on these two colors to do the vest in. That's all I got. I did go to Ulta. I actually went in there because my sister has been looking for a signature like perfume. I told her about Kayali, but that's a little pricey. So I was thinking about getting her like the bundle, like how they have the little sample size things, and it was like a whole bunch of different like name brand perfumes. I wasn't really sure, so I ended up just leaving. I still got tomorrow because Mother's Day is on Sunday. I officially started on the roses, and then I'm going to be doing my mom's in yellow. I'm following a tutorial right now, and I'm just trying to work these up as quickly as I can. I did finish both of the flowers. I also made two of the green stem part of it that's supposed to go underneath. So it's really cute. I'm so ready to put them together. But yeah, it is currently, honestly, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I just haven't been really going to sleep, but I get up super early. So I just been like staying up, and still have an order that I got through my sister that's due on Monday. And I'm doing a video for that for y'all or whatever. So y'all see that, but here's a little sneak peek. I have finished this whole freaking hat pretty much, and then I tried it on and it was too small, so I had to take it apart and get a bigger hook. So it was a whole thing. I'm in the middle of crocheting the second yellow one. I think I was originally going to do 3 each, but I think I'm just going to do 2, and then I'm getting them other gifts. Hopefully that'll be enough. That way I can go ahead and get into this order. You know, I love making stuff for my family, but at the same time I like making some money too. I'm just being honest. But I'm watching, I don't know how to say her name. I honestly don't know how to say her name, but I've been watching her. Her videos are so cute. Like, just like the thought process, the editing, all of it. And like, she really about this crochet life. I'm gonna talk to y'all probably tomorrow when I'm up and ready. Hey y'all, I actually am about to now head out. It's about 10, I believe. I went to go work out earlier, whoop, whoop, and now I'm about to head to Sephora, and I'm going to head to Ulta. I have successfully completed all 4 of these roses. I'm thinking I'm going to do 1 more each. So I made a quick pit stop in Michael's real quick, and I don't know if you guys ever check out their Project Hub section with these free patterns, but I just found out about them not too long ago, and I picked up a few, and I think I'm going to start a series on my channel where I try to make these patterns on my body type. So yeah, this one is really cute, y'all. Like, this is cute. The way I would wear this. And the cardigan too. Like, girl, I need all of them. We are in Ulta, and I came in here to get, I finally decided on just going ahead and getting my sister the perfume set. Doing that, and then I'm also trying to get this. I seen some NYX Duck Plumping lip gloss, so I want to try that because I need my top lip to be big. I'm trying to decide what color I should get, because they have a lot of different colors. Actually, they have just like a regular gloss, so I think I'm gonna get this one. I'm so extra, but I do, if it works, hopefully it works for me. Actually, this is not the one. So these are actually the Duck Plumping glosses. Okay, I want to show you guys what I got real quick. So I did test out the Duck Plumping lip gloss, and I don't see no difference. I tried one, I think it's called Mocha on this side, and then I just tried the spicy, clearly spicy, just like a clear gloss, and I was gonna get that one, but I was like, do I really notice a difference? Like, I would actually need more time to figure that out. But I did end up getting my sister a pack of 6 different perfumes. They're just like the mini little bottles here. But I actually just looked up a video on YouTube, and they said that you can get about 26 sprays out of here. So I think it's a really good deal. And also, like I said, she's trying to find her scent. So I think she's going to really appreciate this. And it also has like this $15 coupon. If she decides to get one of these perfumes, then she can just use the $15 off on that purchase for like a full-size bottle or something like that. Now I'm about to head to Walmart. I need to get a few groceries. So water, I know for sure, and some detergent. I also need to go to the bank so I can get some money out for my mom as part of her gift, and then after that I should be done. I would just need to crochet the rest of the flowers. this stuff up and go ahead and let the hot glue gun heat up, and then I'm going to attempt to do the first rows. Honestly, I should have probably did like a little tester one. Even if they come out funky looking, they're gonna appreciate it because it was a thoughtful gift, you know. We have officially finished the flowers and they're all so cute. I got this from IKEA a while back and I thought that it would be cute for a quick little picture, and also I created a quick little TikTok for it in a shorts video if y'all want to go over there and check it out. But how freaking cute are these? I did make 2 separate strings just to tie around. Flowers also kind of have a glue smell, so I'm going to spray just a little bit, just a tad bit of my Mon Perry in them, and hopefully that kind of gets rid of that smell. Just oh, it smells so good. Yes. So as I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't tell you guys what I got my mom, which is the most important, of course. But I got her an outfit, of course 2 bouquets, her favorite candy, and some money. But yeah, I thought I'd add that because, like, why did I not talk about what I got my mom? But yeah. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. I just want to say a quick happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. We really love and appreciate you. And also, if you guys did like this video, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.